नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं एक बार फिर से हाज़िर हूँ आपके पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेकर के आया हूँ बिल्डिंग मटेरियल से। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को। तो आइए चलते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस की तरफ देखते हैं। सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ दैट पुट्टी इज़ मेड अप ऑफ। डू यू नो हाउ पुट्टी इज़ मेड अप? ओके, आप जो दीवारों पे पुट्टी, पहली बात ये देखिए, जो दीवारों पे होती है, जब हम अपना घर पेंट कराते हैं तो पुट्टी होती है, ठीक है। वाइट कलर की एक सब्सटेंस होता है जैसे हम पुट्टी बोलते हैं, ठीक है। तो ऑप्शंस आपके पास ये हैं A, B, C, D। तो आवर आंसर इज D, बिकॉज D is putty is traditionally made of mixing of base of whitening finely powdered chalk with lessened oil in various proportions. Okay, so that's answer is D. Dog legged stairs are question A quarter ton stairs, question B 3/4 ton stairs, option C half ton stairs, option D stairs state stairs. So the options are A, B, C, D, and the answer is C. Dog legged stairs have 180-degree turn in the walk line. Move on to the third question. The base material of the distemper is, distempers का base material base. Okay, so options are A, B, C, D, and the option is A, chalk. Move on to the fourth question. The lintels are preferred to arches because A, arches require more headroom to span the opening like door, window, etc. B, arches require strong abundant to withstand arch thrust. C, arches are difficult to construct, and D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. You can go and check through the answer. Okay, move on to the fifth question. Mild steel used in RCC structures conforms to IS code. Okay, then according to this, IS code is used 432. Option A is the answer, and rest of options are not the answers. A, B, C, D are not options. Okay, these questions you have to go through with this. Okay, these questions may ask in the RRB. Okay, move on to the sixth question. In the paint, methyl spirit, naphtha and the terpene are used. Okay, so options are A, B, C, D, and the option is C, solvent. Okay, rest options are not. Move on to the seventh. Aluminum is anodized to protect it from weathering effect by the forming surface coat of. Okay, so options are A, B, C, and A is the option aluminum carbide, B is aluminum babrate, C is aluminum oxide, D is red lead. So what do you think, guys? What are the options and which option is correct? Let's see the answer, and the answer is C. Benefits of ionizing are it allows coloring, improved lubrication, improved adhesion, and increase the resistance of corrosion. And move on to the eighth question. A very comfortable type of stairs are used is state opening new dog-legged circular. The answer is dog-legged. This is a BMC question as you read in building material. ठीक है. Ninth question. Which of the following has least carbon content? Mild steel, pig iron, cast iron, wrought iron. And the answer is A, Steel corrodes in exposure of air and moisture and forms rust which has. Okay, so answers will tell you later. Just read the options. A 2.5 times the volume of the steel, B 0.5 times the volume of steel, C equal volume compare amount of steel rusted, D twice the volume of steel. Answer is A. This is because the concrete of the stress in attention results in concrete breaking away from the steel. The corrosion weakness the steel, but also the concrete cracks. It breaks bond between the steel and concrete, hence seriously reducing the load capacity of the reinforcement concrete. As the corrosion process continues to concrete, it will break away from the structure, exposing more steel to the corrosive environment and weakness the structure. Okay, thank you.